A bill to lessen penalties for drugs is headed to Governor Rhoden's desk. Dakota Territory's Blake Trolley spoke with lawmakers falling on different sides of the issue.
Senate Bill 83 would lower the penalties for ingesting controlled drugs and substances from a felony to a misdemeanor. A first offense would land the user on supervised probation. A third offense within a decade would be a felony. State Representative Nicole Uri-Balk is in support of the bill.
We need reform in this area and making sure that our incarceration rate and recidivism is astronomical compared to a lot of our neighbors and the U.S. in general. And so this is just a tiny step in the right direction of making sure that we're addressing those issues and making sure that people get the help that they need and aren't just thrown into prison.
A lobbyist for the South Dakota Trial Lawyers Association testified at a House Judiciary hearing earlier this week in support of the bill. The lobbyist pointed out the restrictions that young people face for the rest of their lives over what he called a dumb mistake. Those restrictions include voting and getting a good job. State Representative Mary Fitzgerald voted against the bill. She says she's disappointed the bill got through and is hoping the governor vetoes it.
I do think, that passage of this bill is not good for South Dakota. It sends a mixed message to our children that, we're minimizing that drug use and we're trying to keep kids off of drugs. We're trying to encourage them, to live a healthy life.
Brent Kempema, South Dakota Chief Deputy AG, spoke in opposition of the bill during a House Judiciary Committee hearing earlier this week. He said under existing law, there are plenty of opportunities for first-time drug offenders to avoid having felonies on their record. South Dakota Attorney General Marty Jackley testified as well in the same hearing. He said rarely, if ever, are people going to state prison on their first ingestion case. The bill took an extremely narrow victory in the Senate, passing on an 18-17 vote. In the House of Representatives, the bill passed on a 37-33 vote. Blake Trolley, Dakota Territory News.